Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add color swatches for variants on the product page in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login. Log in to your Shopify account. Now click on Products. Select or enter the products you want to add the color swatches for. And here, this brew master or coffee machine, this is the same product page. As you can see, no color swatches for variants. And to add it, it's simple. Just make sure to select the correct category. For example, I will search with, I think they already suggest something. Let's refresh this page. Now let's look for coffee makers and espresso machines. Click on it. After selecting the correct category, one metafield is added. Click on it. You will jump to this variants tab. As you can see, the category metafield is the color. Now click on add options, and below recommended, click on color, and you will see the suggested colors. To add new ones, just click here and click on add color and select. Let's add the yellow. Now click on done and click on save. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now that the product is saved, let's refresh this product page. And as you can see, now the color swatches started showing. I can select the other colors other than the white, because this black or green, for example, the available stock for this color variant is still 0. To edit it, click on black or one of your variants, and here in the inventory, click on make the available inventory at least one. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, now I can start selecting white or black. Same thing for the other colors. And a cool thing now, if I switch from white to black, this product image stays the same. If you want to change automatically after clicking on one of these color swatches, you can edit it from here. Click on black, for example, and add image. Select your image from here. If you don't have it uploaded to your Shopify account, click on add files. Now click on done. Save this product. Same thing for the white variant. Click on add, select the white color and hit save. And now let's refresh this product page. Now this is the white, and if I click on the black color swatch, it automatically jumps to the correct variant photo. And this is how to add color swatches on Shopify for variants in the product page. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.